സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. കൂടുതൽ വീഡിയോകൾക്കായി ആ ബെൽ ഐക്കൺ കൂടി ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. എന്നാൽ മാത്രമേ ഞാൻ ഇടുന്ന വീഡിയോസ് നിങ്ങളിലേക്ക് എത്തിച്ചേരുകയുള്ളൂ.
Nowadays, most of the women are suffering from PCOS. What is PCOS? Polycystic ovary syndrome happens when the female hormone progesterone and estrogen in a woman's body is distributed due to excess segregation of male hormone androgen. And in response to that, the ovary starts developing multiple cysts, which are actually unfertilized eggs. How do I know if I have PCOS or not? If you are facing any of the below mentioned symptoms, then you might have PCOS. 1. Rampant or uncontrolled weight gain. 2. Irregular periods. 3. Infertility. 4. Receding hairline. 5. Abnormal hair growth in chest, face, etc. Why we choose balanced nutrition for managing PCOS? Available medicine can eliminate the PCOS symptoms temporarily, but only with the proper diet and lifestyle management, PCOS can be managed for life. We are taking extra steps towards managing it for lifetime by achieving PCOS weight loss, regular menstrual cycle, acne-free skin, and hair fall under control.
Diet and lifestyle management. We have to follow strict health guide for optimum and faster results. 1. Take fresh lemon juice in approximate 200 ml lukewarm water 1 hour before breakfast in the morning and 1 hour after dinner at night. The vitamin C in lemon helps to improve egg quality. It also helps to maintain pH level and weight loss. 2. Completely stop taking any form of sugar, sweets, and refined cereals like maida, suji, white rice poha, etc. 3. Take 100 to 200 grams of sprouts of moong dal or whole gram per day. 4. Frequently eat dry fruits like almonds, walnut, flax seeds, and omega-3 supplements. 5. Avoid fried, fatty, and oily foods and meat. Take more leafy and green vegetables. 6. Take fruits like berries, plums, oranges, papaya, pears, watermelon, or apples. 7. Drinks lots of water up to 5 liters per day. The calculation is weight divided by 20 equal to number of liter. 8. Take green salads of tomato, carrot, cabbage, and beetroot about 200 grams per day. 9. Finally, along with the right kind of diet, it is absolutely crucial to do exercise for around 30 to 60 minutes a day as it can reduce your insulin resistance.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon next to it. Thank you.